Hello world, welcome to edupediaworld.com. In this video, we are going to have a look at basic operators. Like so far, we have come to know that every programming language consists of some basic elements which are required to make a program. The elements required to construct a basic program consists of a set of characters, keywords, constants, variables, arithmetic expressions. Then this is all which we had studied so far in basic. But now we are going to study about the operators. These are the symbols that indicates the type of operation basic has to perform on the data or on the values of the variables. There are 4 types of operators in basic, namely arithmetic, string, relational as well as logical operators. So now let's have a look at them. First of all, we have arithmetic operators. They are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and exponential. So following is the table which is showing us the work of arithmetic operators in basic. We can see how the addition operator works, how the subtraction works, the multiplication, the division, along with the symbols these operators have in basic. And then comes the exponential, which simply is the power. So this is how the arithmetic operators work in basic. Now comes the string operators. They are used to join 2 or more than 2 string data. The plus sign is used as the string operator. This act of combining 2 strings is simply called concatenation. The following table shows us how this string operator works. Suppose we have 2 strings, the one with the value rain, the other string has a value fall. So if we concatenate both of the strings, as a result we will have rainfall. So simply this is how the concatenation or the string operator works in basic. Then comes the relational operator. They are used to perform comparison on 2 values but always of the same type. Comparison of string data with the numeric data can never ever be done. So the comparison of string data always done on the basis of ASCII values of the characters, which we can find from any index, from the Google as well. Like for example, A has the ASCII value 64 and then so on. So the result of the comparison is either true, a non-zero value, or false, which is a 0 value. So the following is the table which is showing us the relational operators. So far, the basic supports 6 relational operators which can be named as equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and the last one is not equal to. So simply this is how the relation or the name is showing these operators work like this. Like the first one will return as true if both values are equal. The second one will return true if the first value will be less than the second value, and so on. It keeps on going. They will work according to the relation or according to their names. So now comes the logical operators. They combine 2 or more relational expressions to evaluate a single value as true, a non-zero value, or false, a 0 value. This result of evaluation is used to make decisions about the program flow. The commonly used operators in BASIC are and, or, and not. Now let's have a look at these logical operators. AND operator always returns true when all the results returned from individual relational expressions are true, otherwise it returns false. So and truth table is as follows, and we can see that the one and only condition in which AND operator is returning us true is when both the conditions P as well as and Q is true, then we will have true. Otherwise, for and, in the case of AND operator, we will have false if any one of the condition is giving us a result as false. Then comes the OR operator. It returns true if any one of the relational expression returns true. So if all the relational expressions returns false, only then the combined result returned by the OR operator will be false. The OR truth table is as follows. So we can see from the truth table, we have true in all the conditions in case of OR operator, except if both the conditions, or we can say if all the conditions are returning us false, only then we will have false as a result in OR operator. Then comes the NOT logical operator. It operates on only one operand and returns true if the logical operation returns false and vice versa. So the NOT truth table is as follows. If the condition is false, the NOT will return us true, as well as if the condition is true, the NOT operator will return as false. So this is how the operators work in BASIC. Thank you for watching a video on edupediaworld.com.